Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on energy bills with Con Edison, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start saving on energy bills with Con Edison, first, visit the Con Edison website. Navigate to the savings section on the homepage. Explore available programs and services tailored for customers. Sign up for an online account if you haven't already. Once logged in, access your energy usage reports. Analyze your past bills to identify patterns and peak usage times. Next, look into energy efficiency programs offered by Con Edison. Consider scheduling a free energy audit to assess your home. An energy auditor will provide personalized recommendations for improvements. Upgrade to energy-efficient appliances and lighting where possible. Check for rebates available for new, energy-efficient products. Participate in demand response programs to earn incentives for reducing usage during peak times. Set a programmable thermostat to optimize heating and cooling. Adjust your thermostat by a few degrees to save energy without compromising comfort. Use energy-efficient power. Seal drafts around windows and doors to enhance insulation. Insulate your home, especially in attics and basements, to maintain temperature. Regularly change air filters in your heating and cooling systems. Consider using smart home technology to monitor and regulate energy use. Stay informed about Con Edison's updates and energy-saving tips through newsletters. Join community initiatives focused on energy conservation for additional benefits. Participate in local workshops to learn more about energy efficiency. Finally, review your energy bill regularly to track your savings progress. By taking these steps, you can effectively reduce your energy bills with Con Edison. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.